Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add rows and columns automatically in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. Firstly, our data should be organized in a table like this, and then move to File, Options. From this list of options, go to Proofing, Autocorrect options, mark Include new rows and columns in a table, and then press OK. OK. This option allows us to add rows at the end of the table like this. As you can see here, row is added, or you can add columns at the end of the table. Column is added as well. Now, if I want to add rows automatically between two rows within a table, we are going to use shortcuts. For example, I want to add rows automatically between row 4 and 5. Click on row 5, press Ctrl Shift, and then equal. As you can see, row automatically added between two rows. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.